Off the southeast coast of the United States, there lies a span of ocean that has held a fearsome reputation. Ships traversing its choppy breadth disappear without a trace. Flights routed above the waters blink from radar screens, never to be seen. The mysterious happenings have conjured stories of supernatural interference, alien kidnappings, and an area somehow outside the normal bounds of physical reality. The Bermuda Triangle, it's said, is a haunted place. Still, a number of people have proposed scientific explanations for the disappearance of ships and planes in the Bermuda Triangle over the years. The Bermuda Triangle stretches between Miami, San Juan, Puerto Rico and the island of Bermuda. In all, it encompasses hundreds of thousands of square miles in the North Atlantic Ocean. The region also sees heavy traffic from ships coming and going from the East Coast and Gulf of Mexico. The Bermuda Triangle got its name from a 1964 article in the pulp magazine Argosy, which linked together a few disappearances in the region. The article features the disappearance of the USS Cyclops, a Navy supply ship, in 1918, and the loss of a flight of bombers during a practice run in 1945, as well as one of the search and rescue planes sent out after them. These incidents, and others, have today become part of the lore of the Bermuda Triangle. These stories are often stitched together to hint at something untoward lurking beneath the surface of the Atlantic Ocean. In addition to the supernatural explanations, a number of more realistic explanations for the phenomenon have been put forward throughout the years. The fact that the area within the Bermuda Triangle is heavily trafficked could account for some of the mystery. Any region with lots of ships going through it is bound to see more accidents than a place with less activity. Another common explanation for the Bermuda Triangle rests on magnetism. The Earth's magnetic North Pole isn't the same as its geographic North Pole, which means that compasses usually don't point exactly north. Only along what's known as agonic lines, which line up magnetic and geographic north, are compasses truly accurate. One agonic line runs from Lake Superior down through the Gulf of Mexico near the Bermuda Triangle. Another theory posits that the Bermuda Triangle might be home to a large-scale magnetic anomaly, a region where the Earth's magnetic field lines are warped and twisted. This, too, could cause navigational mistakes. More recently, some scientists have suggested that ship sinkings in the Bermuda Triangle could be due to massive bubbles released from undersea methane deposits. The seafloor in the region is known to contain large pockets of gas that could be released suddenly, turning the ocean into a frothy soup that swallows ships. A similar process likely created huge seafloor craters near Norway. But though the mechanism itself makes sense, there's no evidence of any recent methane release from the area around the Bermuda Triangle. The last time anything similar happened in the region was around 15,000 years ago. Another explanation for the Bermuda Triangle that checks out on paper is the presence of rogue waves. These huge waves can form unexpectedly and rise 2 or even 3 times above surrounding waves. At one time, British researchers used lab and computer models to simulate the effects of rogue waves more than 100 feet tall on ships as part of an investigation into the Bermuda Triangle. Ships that were sufficiently long could get caught suspended between 2 wave peaks with nothing supporting them from below and snap in half. The true explanation for the Bermuda Triangle may ultimately reside not in the ocean, but in our minds. Our minds are often biased toward bizarre or otherwise memorable events.